guys, look into these eyes. Behind this calm stare is a deadly promise. Out here, survival isn't a game, it's a brutal war. They strike before you can even blink. Their mid-air agility and pinpoint precision put any action movie to shame. These are nature's most perfect killing machines. In this high-speed race for life, weakness means death. Split seconds decide who survives and who becomes lunch. Nature is breathtaking and ruthless. Craving more extreme wildlife action? Hit subscribe button and hit a like. Share your experience.